So I'm watching for a possible trade setup here on the ES. There's one more minute left here on a 5 minute candle. You'll see it had a big run up and now it's pulling back on a 5 minute. Again, some bigger candlesticks here, some bigger risk, but I want to watch and see if it holds above this 9 EMA on a 5 minute below the 64.05, and then see what happens if it can kind of get a new 5 minute high and can make a run up to that 64.10 high of day. So watching for this possible flag. Again, it could turn into a head and shoulders as well, but just watching to see for a possible bounce here. And then I want to watch and see if these 9 and 20 crossovers happen on these other charts. So on this 1 minute, you'll see right now it's kind of a head and shoulders pattern. But if it crosses and price can get above that 6,500 level or right around this, maybe it's that 64, actually 64.06 or '07 level. So that's where I want to see. It's kind of some bigger candles. You see a new 5 minute formation happening. But I want to see if it can get above this area and see what happens. So that's what I'm watching to see. Again, this could fail and just keep falling down, but this is the setup I'm watching for to see if it holds above this 9 EMA on a 5 minute, and we'll continue and get above and see if it makes another run up. So it could turn into a flag, or it could be a head, left shoulder, right shoulder, head and shoulders failure. So that's why I'm watching this 6,400 level as important support right around that 9 EMA on a 5 minute. So watching it right here, this 1 minute candle about to form right around that 6,400-ish level. So going to watch that 64 or 64.05 level. New 5 minute candle, see if it bounces and will kind of move up, or if it's going to form a double top failure. So you'll see kind of trading sideways right now. Possible tweezer tops on a 5 minute. So watching this one, if I do take an entry, here's the thing, I'm trying to get used to this platform. I'm making some trades on it. So kind of doing, this is the new Trade of Apex platform. So I want to kind of record my trades in progress, but I also don't want to blow up the account, especially on a volatile day. But you'll see I have this automatic, this is the thing that's tricking me out here. I want to get it, I want to see if this works where I can press so if I'm buying market to get in right away, I don't want this confirmation right now. So I think you got to click do not show again, but I'm not sure. Again, I'm still getting used to this platform, but as you can see right here, that would have been just a 3 point move, just real quick, dropping down on me. So I don't want to just randomly buy the order right now without, no, getting the proper setup. But I want to get this turned off so I don't have this confirmation. So that's something I'm going to keep an eye on as well. If I can get a setup where I can get above the 64.05, then I'm going to try this do not show again and see if that'll work. So watching this last 1 minute candle, seeing if it forms green and can hold its highs. Again, want to see if it'll break above that 64.05-ish level and continue up. It's trading sideways on a 1 minute, so it's a bit risky. So again, watching right here, see if it holds on the 9, continues up and can break above that 64.05-ish level. I want to see some separation, see if it can hold right over in here. You see that trading side right around that, right here on the 1 minute. So again, I'm still trying to get used to this platform. I want to see if I can get that auto off. So I'm going to watch it, trying to see if I can do two things at once here. Get the auto feature off and also get a decent trade. But as you'll see, it's still choppy trading sideways. Next 1 minute, about 5 minute about to form. So there's a new 5 minute candle. It did hold, but it could be either a head and shoulders or a possible flag setup. So again, still showing some weakness. Don't like it at the moment. So new 1 minute candle forming, still trading a little bit sideways, kind of going right up over here, bouncing off that 200 EMA on the 500 tick. So it's got this zone that it's trading in right now. So still watching this closely. And what you can do, or what I can do if I wanted, is put a buy stop order. So here's how you'll do a buy stop. If price gets above, so you see that 64.05 area, that's an important area that it's trying to get above. But many times it'll go up like a quarter of a tick or whatever and drop back down. So if I put an order at like 64.05, people might go up, sell right there, and then get out. But what I can do is kind of put it up a little bit more, maybe 64.05.50. and I can click here on the chart and you'll see a buy stop right here. So if I click on buy stop order 64.0550, if I put it in there, that means when price goes up and gets above that level, it'll fill my order. So I'm going to do that right now, and you'll see on my chart. See right there, that's 64.0550. Now if price goes up right there,
stop filled.
Perfect. It filled the order, so now I'm in. So you'll see right as it moved up there, I'm in that trade. Now it's showing a little bit of weakness. So a lot of times that's where I want to see it. Now many times I want to see it move up here and see what happens on a 1 minute, if the 1 minute candle will hold and continue up. But you see right up at that 64.05, it gets above, and now it's retesting right there. So that's what I want to see. I want to see it move up like that and continue bullish action to move up. So I'm watching this 1 minute candle form. So you'll see right at that 64.07 showing a little bit of weakness, but I want to see this 9 EMA catch up on the 500 tick and pull it up. But many times you'll see it'll go up, pull right back down. But you know, a lot of times it's got to pull back before it continues up. So you'll see that 64.05 area, that 9 EMA was right there. See, it's coming right back down. So the buy stop worked. I didn't get the so I was testing out the buy stop, so it is working, but I'm also trying to do multiple things at once here. The buy stop, this, you'll see it's pulling back down over here, but I didn't get the order auto feature turned off, but it's bouncing off here on the 9 EMA on a 500 tick. So watching here to see if this new 1 minute candle will hold. So I'm using this 9 EMA as a guide on a 500 tick, but I didn't get the auto feature turned off on my orders, which I wanted to do, but I wanted to practice, make a video for buy stop. So at least that worked on this video. So hopefully I get a successful trade on here. But if not, I at least got the buy stop to show you how that feature works here on Trade of 8. So I'm going to watch this last 10 seconds closely here. And you'll see that's a little bit of annoying, that bar area that keeps getting in the way, but it's bouncing on a 1 minute. I'm up a little bit, 37.50, but I'm going to use this area real closely. I want to as a stop, that 9 EMA on a 500 tick. So this last 5 minute candle is about to form. Going to watch and see right here, bouncing still on that 9 EMA. I want to see the 1 minute hold its highs and continue up and break above that 64.07 area. So right here, it's given a little bit of recovery. Last 30 seconds to the candle. See if it can continue up. Watching how this last 1 minute candle completes, which will do the 5 minute candle, a new 5 minute candle. So we'll see what happens if there's a new 5 minute high that breaks. So far, so good. Up 75 bucks. Want to see it hold its highs. Another 10 seconds. Hopefully this will show me to be able to get out on an auto order here. So new 1 minute about to start. New 5 minute candle about to form. Right here, it's kind of moving up a little bit. I'm going to do the do not show again because I want to see if
order
that works.
filled.
All right, perfect. I know it's continuing up. I wanted to do both. So I got a little bit of profit. That's fine. It's still moving up, but I wanted to get that. Now I want to see if that, I don't know, I'm not sure if that auto feature turned off. So I'll see on my next video. So this kind of did a whole, got the buy stop order filled, but then I don't know if the auto feature turned off. So that'll be what I do next time. So you'll see that worked. At least that's a successful trade. So this one right here, what did we get here on that trade? 93.80. Last one was 90 bucks. So that was about a little bit of a little over a 1 point move. So my this is my third trade using the platform. So 3 trades up 200 bucks while also using the platform and trying to document the journey here. So that worked. So hopefully this video helped you. So 3 trades successful so far while learning the platform for Trade of 8.